Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review, and today we're looking at a pair of Yeezys. Alright, so straight up you get that very familiar Yeezy box, which is just the solid cardboard color. And this time, instead of the number 350 or 500 or 700, you are getting Slide. I think it's really cool that they give you a box for a pair of slides. I think it's just a cool package. These released on April the 16th for a retail price of $55. Over here in the UK, these were £45. It fits right in there with the prices of most slides you would buy. And now for a pair of Yeezy Slides, I think that's a pretty good deal. So if you don't remember, these released quite a while back, except they were a YeezySupply exclusive. And now this was the wider release. So this was the global release. This bone colorway was already seen in that previous release along with the resin colorway. However, with this global release, we saw a brand new colorway, which was the brown colorway. Now these, when they released, they weren't extremely hard to get. However, I think it did take quite a few people by surprise that they sold out pretty much everywhere. Now, this is definitely a pretty crazy looking pair of slides. This is definitely a pair of slides that sets itself apart from the rest. Now, there is a lot of really good things that I really like about this slide. So, of course, the construction is very simple. This is a very minimalistic pair of slides. It comes in a solid EVA material. So everything on it is just straight up EVA. Apart from the Adidas logo on the heel, you also do get a Yeezy branding on the inside of the shoe, which says Yeezy made in China and shows the size. So in my case, 8 US. So it's very, very minimalistic, and the main portion which I think kind of stands out a little bit is the outsole. So you get this toothy, ridged outsole which kind of waves up, and this is familiar. This is something we have seen with the Yeezy desert boots. It looks very similar to this outsole. My biggest kind of question about these was how comfortable are they? You know, what are they going to feel like on foot? And when I was wearing them, there are quite a few things that you need to know if you're looking to get this pair. First of all, they do fit pretty small. Now, I got myself a UK 8 because usually that is a US 8.5 or 9, which is my true to size. However, when I got this UK 8, it is also a US 8. It says US 8 and UK 8. Now, this differs from sneakers. Most sneakers have a differentiation between the UK and US sizing. However, in these slides, it seems like they are just the same. Now, with this pair, it does fit me fine. I mean, my foot fits in it and it's not coming off the back. However, it does feel a little bit strange and it looks a little bit small. You can definitely get away with this and I'm fine with it. There's not very many complaints. This does feel a little bit tight, but other than that, it's fine. However, personally, I like a little bit more room in my slides. I pretty much just wear them around the house, maybe some trips to the grocery store or something like that. And that's about it. So what I would recommend is probably go true to size, or if you are a half size, go up, because these only come in full sizes. There are no half sizes with the Yeezy Slides. So I did a video on these Yeezy Foam Runners, which are a knockoff pair that I got from China. and I just wanted to see the design. I thought it'd be a little bit of fun to make a video on these. I wanted to see what the material is and how this kind of differentiates between these two different materials. So let's just do a little quick comparison, a little bit of a run through between what is going to be the main differentiating factors. Keep in mind, this is not a legit pair, so when they actually release, things could be a little bit different. And if I had to choose this over a pair of slides, I would take this every single time. I would say the materials are pretty much dead on, exactly the same. However, this is a lot more smooth. This is pretty much just completely smoothed off, and this has a little bit more texture to it. So I'm talking on the flat portions, it is a little bit more grippier and textured. So if you like the comfort of these Yeezy Slides, which personally I think they are super comfortable, then you are going to like the Yeezy Foam Runner comfortability wise. A massive pro in my opinion about this slide compared to regular slides that I've worn in the past is that these stick to your foot. I think because of how structured and how tough this upper portion is of this slide, when you have your foot in it, it doesn't flop around. Like, you know when you're wearing slides and that sound of your heel just hitting the back as you're walking along? Yeah, that sound I really don't like. And I'm happy to say that with this pair, for me personally, it sticks to my foot, so you do not get that annoying slapping sound, which I really dislike. Other than that, I mean, this is a perfect time to release the Yeezy Slide. We are all at home, and that is where most people are going to be wearing their slides, is just here in quarantine, where we're just chilling at home and we just need something to slip on and walk around the house with. Whether you love these, you hate them, or you're split in the middle, that is pretty much it for this review. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming through, hanging out, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
All right, we're live. Honestly, not bad. You gotta like, and I'll subscribe. I give this all at any time. Not bad. Guys, go check out his channel, Elliot Page. Elliot Page, go check out his channel.